Hey guys, it's Reese, welcome back to the channel. So, quick unboxing. I just got this today from out of town Target store today, which is about a few hours away from me. This Target store, unfortunately, had almost nothing for Hot Wheels or Matchbox. They probably had better Hot Wheels cars in the checkout lanes area than they did in the pegs. They did have 2-packs, none of the GTR, unfortunately. They had the Superbird and the Mustang, only one Mustang and mostly Superbird, and the Roadrunner 2-pack. None of those really caught my attention, but this did. And this is my first ever Johnny Lightning Pro Storage Collector tin car that comes with its own tin to store the car in. It's the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. This is the first color version released. The next one comes out in blue. So yeah. If I am not showing anything, it's because I'm opening the car, and I will see you shortly. So, there's the car with the storage tin, fully unboxed and open from the card. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick unboxing diecast car video, and I hope everyone has a great rest of their weekend. Bye.